What's up, everybody? In today's video, I'm doing a clear bra on the Tesla. I'm using STEK Dynoshield paint protection film, one of the glossiest films out there. And yeah, so if you're interested, stick around. Yeah, so my son doesn't make it easy for me to leave sometimes. Look at him, he was all sad. I'm leaving, going to work. He wants to ride his bike. I'm driving out to Lake Forest, and I'm just doing the front bumper of a Model Y, so it shouldn't be too hard. I got a couple other things planned for today, so hopefully I can get done in time. So yeah, stick around and see how it turns out. Alright, I made it. Yeah, made it out here to my job, and now I'm just gonna get started. Boom, right here. See it? Add soap. One for a good measure. Take a smile. It's pretty cool. STEK, yeah. I'm using STEK PPF. It's super high gloss, hydrophobic coating. I love this stuff. Easy to work with. Just gonna roll me out a piece for the bumper here. Alright, as you can see, I'm done with the Tesla. Or you can't see because it's clear. Yeah, I'm bandaged up. That really hurt. Basically, my blade was like this. It just went right in there. Yeah, let me show you around. So I did one-piece bumper again on this. Let's see, can focus on there. You can see the line a little bit. It's about 3/16 from the edge, on the inside edge. This one I didn't tuck, I just cut to the edge on that seam. Yeah, but super glossy. Right here, I did a little different than last time, the white one. I try to get more in there, but there's still just, I can't get that corner. But yeah, it tucks all the way under there. Can't really see it. Oh, you can see a little bit right there. And then it goes all the way. Just water. But yeah, we are done. All right, packed up. Everything's good. Customer's happy. Yeah, I'm gonna go stripe a Corvette now. Day's not over. Stay tuned. Turns out the car's not ready. They're still buffing it. But a little side note, this body shop is Tesla approved. So they got a lot of Teslas in there. If you happen to damage your Tesla, bring it over here in orange. Hope you enjoyed the video, learned something, maybe. Hit that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I'll catch you on the next one. All right, just about home. Let's see if my son comes out.